gas insulated switchgear that is introduced in this wind turbine industry for the first time in Pakistan. And all the turbines, they are producing voltage at 690 volts, right? And from 690 volts, the voltage is stepped up to 22 kV from the GSU transformers. And from those, we have 4 groups in our wind farm: Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. And all those groups, the voltages come to these. These are the main switch gears for those groups: Group A, Group B, and Group C, and Group D.
Right? Can you introduce yourself?
I am Tariq, electrical engineer.
Okay.
Of this wind power project.
You are, which university did you go to?
From University of Engineering and Technology.
So that's the university in Karachi.
Yeah.
When did you join?
FFC. I joined FFC in 1990.
Okay.
I was based at urea ammonia plant at Gormachi.
Okay.
And then later on, 3 years back, I switched on to wind power project in Rawalpindi.
Okay. So these are all Pakistani engineers. All of the Pakistani engineers, they're doing this. And this is a very, very sophisticated equipment that you have installed. This has been installed by your group here?
Yeah, because basically we had a contract with Nordics and Descon. And Nordics and Descon. And Descon, what they did, they sublet it to Alstom. And all the equipment was purchased from Alstom and Descon. And they are according to the specifications for international IEC specification and also according to the NTDC specifications.
Okay.
They are in compliance to NTDC specification.
Okay.
And all the drawing specifications and all the complete engineering details were approved from NTDC.
Okay, so all of you engineers are Pakistani engineers.
Yeah, of course.
And you have installed all of this.
Yeah.
And you have installed, you are the electrical head of this group?
Yeah.
Okay, and...
From the FFC side, I and another engineer, Mr. Asif, we are both doing the electrical.
Okay, what are these guys doing?
Mr. Nu, he's a commissioning engineer from Alstom.
Okay.
He has done all the commissioning activities. He's performed all the commissioning activities on HP side and also on the MV side.
What's your name?
Salam.
Salam.
You are from which university?
NAD University.
You're also from NAD?
Yes, yeah.
MashaAllah. And the other gentleman?
I'm from IIEE. Shariq Ahmed Khan.
Okay.
From IIEE.
What is IIEE?
Institute of Industrial Electronics.
Okay, so you went to school in Pakistan?
Yes.
You didn't go to Harvard or MIT or anything?
And he is basically these guys they are doing SCADA. They are installing SCADA system.
Okay.
Whatever the data will be in the rows turbine, they will gather that data into our control room.
Okay. So you have a complete set crew of engineers from Pakistan, and all of these engineers are... Can you tell me something about this?
Okay, we can go outside.
Yes, we can, but I just want to...
Basically, these are the power transformers. Because when we went to the turbines,
Yes.
where you must have seen small transformers, right?
Right.
In those transformers, what we did, step up the 690 volts produced from the WTGs up to 22,000 volts, right?
Okay.
From 22 kV,
Okay.
all the voltage.
I think you can have a more interesting thing in the control room. Tariq, please explain.
Okay, we are now going to the control room. And these are all, it gives me such great pleasure to see young Pakistani engineers working.
This is our DC room for
Okay.
the control supply of the relays, for pressure relays, 110 volt DC. These are the batteries and these are the chargers. And this is their control panel.
Why do you use the batteries?
Because for backup, for example, if there is no voltage and we have the batteries for backup.
How many batteries do you have?
We have, according to the system, for example, we have 96 batteries for 110 volt DC, right? Nickel cadmium batteries.
Okay. Can you explain what
These are the remote control panels. These are basically when we energize our 132 kV, it has 5 switch gears, right? One is for the Nuriyabad line, one is for the complete line circuit line, one is bus coupler, and 2 are for the power transformer. And these are their protection relays and their control panels. From here we can close and open the circuit breakers. There is the interlocking present in between the circuit breakers so that if any fault, the circuit breaker can operate according to the logic which we have developed.
Okay. And
so this is a SCADA system. You can monitor everything from here. You can check everything from the screen. This is our main SLD
System for maintenance and handover to
and see all the 5 circuit breakers, the incoming, 2 incoming.
So
For
we
example,
just,
line bay 2, line bay 1, transformer bay, that is a bus coupler. So when we get the power from our main MV substation, they are transformed from 22 kV to 122 kV on these transformers, and from there they are evacuated into the Jamshid and Mujawar grids to these line bays.
Okay. Right. So I only see Pakistanis here.
Yeah, all are Pakistanis here.
And
On this electrical system, all Pakistanis are working.
all Pakistanis are working. So that means that we can send our engineers all over the world for wind farms in Africa, in the Middle East and all.
This is our SCADA system and all our 132 kV system, 22 kV system, and shunt compensation system, and even energy analyzer system and energy evacuation system, metering system. All systems are connected through this SCADA. And there are two parts of this SCADA. One is operator workstation, and the second one is engineering workstation. Through operator workstation, we can monitor the system, we can initiate command, and through engineering workstation, we can also engineer our system to get some modification.
How many years have you been working on SCADA?
I think since last 2 years we are working on this system.
Okay.
And, we have reviewed all drawings, all interfaces.
Okay.
And this all peripherals of our systems are connected with this system, SCADA system, through this cabinet, last one.
Okay. So what is this cabinet?
This is control panel.
Okay.
And there are three main protocols which we are using. These are latest protocols, state-of-the-art,
Okay.
IC 61850,
Okay.
on which all peripherals are connected with through optical fiber system
Okay.
and in ring configuration.
Okay.
So the beauty of the ring configuration is this: if one side is broken, then our system will run without any interruption.
It's
Okay.
called self-healing. Basically, it's self-healing process.
Okay. The reason I'm doing this interview in English is because the videos that I make, they go all over the world.
Yes.
And every engineer that I'm talking to here has excellent English. What that means is, with the training and the experience that you gentlemen, you engineers have here, any project in the world, you can take up and you can do this. This is a very important factor,
Yes.
because the perception of what it is, this is unbelievable. The work that you guys have done, this wind farm in 11 months, nobody in the world has put up a wind farm this fast. Nobody.
So in our opinion, you are telling right that one main thing which can be interrupt our system is the language barrier. So if you understand English, if you talk English, you can better understand to each other.
Yes. So Asif, the thing, your name is Asif.
Yes.
And which university are you from?
I did my graduation from Mehran University.
Mehran University. So here we have engineers from Mehran, from NED, from UET, from IIT, all over. And the main reason that I'm making these series of videos on this extraordinary engineering, this is called a mega project.
Yes.
And if you go on many international TV programs, the programs, National Geographic does mega projects. This is a mega project, and it has been done in the fastest time possible. And the great, he is sitting here not speaking, Brigadier Tariq, who has headed this project. Hats off to you, sir. I would like to congratulate you, and I would like you to say a few words of the work that has been done.
Just show you how this operates first.
Yes, we want to show some operation of our switch here
is,
through this system.
आपका नाम भूल गया, sorry.
Rehan.
Rehan. Rehan is the guy who's put up all this from Elstorm side, and he will now demonstrate to you. Actually, this is connected right now, so he'll give you a demonstration, and you can hear the voice. If you just keep quiet and you just listen to when he activates from where. Yes.
Opening and closing of breakers and operations.
Now I'm switching on the breaker. Yes.
Have you heard sound?
Yes. The breaker is now closed.
Yes.
And now I am opening the breaker.
So actually